his hydraulic claw and lifted her off the ground from behind. And then he threw her.
Sir, what's going on? I'm very confused. We're not sure, Spencer. We're kind of waiting to see ourselves.
You tried to kill me. Do any of you know where I can... Toby!
This is Farmer McCall. Yes, your new engine that you just purchased, it just exploded outside of my...
Are you workman? Do you work here?
Stop!
Waiting! This is for Lady. This is for Edward. This is for Gordon.
You idiot! Don't you realize you'll be pulled over too? Stop this!
Thomas, what are you doing? Ryan, you're number one now. What? Thomas, what?
No, no, no!